I'm Glenn from Good Soil Farm, and I want to talk to you about ecosystem restoration. This spring, our farm witnessed an unprecedented surge. Thousands of eastern nymph lubber grasshoppers emerged all at once and blanketed our vegetation. For many farmers, a sight like that can trigger an immediate impulse to spray insecticides. But on our farm, we're trying something different. We are experimenting with true ecosystem restoration. Instead of intervening with chemical killers, we took a calculated position. Let them live. Because in a balanced ecosystem, a massive boom in a prey species can act as a beacon. Our hypothesis was simple, but required patience. If we provide a large enough, reliable food source, the natural predators of the lubber grasshopper would eventually discover this bounty, arrive on the farm, and begin the work of balancing the numbers. By late June, the lubbers have reached their massive adult size. They're amazing creatures. They are notoriously toxic to many animals, which usually protects them from predation. But in the last few days, we found our first pieces of concrete evidence of a restoring ecosystem. We've had 2 cases of adult lubbers that have been partially consumed. Something in our fields has figured out how to hunt and eat them. Who are the culprits? We don't know yet. Because lubbers carry that foul-tasting toxic froth, very few predators can handle them. However, there's birds like the Loggerhead Shrike, which are famous for catching the lubbers, impaling them on thorns or barbed wire, leaving them for days until the toxins break down and then come back and eat them. Maybe there's large raptors or crows or even certain brave mammals that have learned to bypass the grasshopper's defenses. But what we're seeing on the ground is the first messy but beautiful sight of a food web ecosystem knitting itself back together. Ecosystem restoration is not about the absence of pests. It's about the balance. And by resisting the urge to eliminate lubbers, we've invited their predators to our table. This is just the beginning of our experiment, but these 2 partially consumed grasshoppers prove that to some degree, nature is already answering the call. Thanks for watching our restoration journey, and stay tuned as we continue to watch this ecosystem heal.